On this episode of Maxed Outdoors, our good friend Matt Busbice and I make our way down to Freer, Texas to target some Rio Grande turkeys and javelinas. With our Umarex air guns and air javelins, we will try to pull turkeys in using a remote control car with a turkey on top. Enjoy the adventure.
All right, with our partners from down south, we got Maxed Out Outdoors. We got Max, my boy. We got the posse here in Texas. But what do we do when you get to Texas? You got to shoot every weapon you have in the pantry. So we got the gearhead bow. We got a 50 caliber Umarex. We got the Air Javelin Pro. Mac's gonna take that tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Try to go smash a turkey.
Yes, sir.
Maybe take a RC car with you.
Yeah, maybe so.
But it's about to get dark, so we're just gonna start shooting every weapon to make sure that we're dialed in. This is the first hunt of 2024 right now. We just rolled tape on the first hunt of 2024. So we'll try to get our groupings going.
No pressure.
No wind either.
Yeah.
There's no lack of wind in Texas. Oh. All right, so we're getting Max set up with the Air Javelin Pro. This is a sick little archery air gun. I guess that's what you would call it. It's an air gun that shoots arrows.
It's pretty fascinating how you slide it right on. That air shoots right through it.
Yeah, it's a hollowed out arrow.
It is. It's kind of funny how we were looking at it this morning, and I can't get this one. This one. You can blow right through it. And this one with the tip.
So it's a little peace pipe, you know? And it's perfect for shooting, I think, some javelina and some Texas turkey. And then we just got to see with this Omega Hawkeye scope, it's a digital scope that ranges and records video, and it becomes a night vision scope. So Max hasn't really, I mean, you've shot this, what?
Maybe twice.
Twice this today, and then I just showed up. Now he's about to rip it, and we're gonna see where it hits. Was it on earlier?
It was, yeah, it was right about there, and I tried it with some bullhead broadhead, so it was kind of shooting everywhere, but this should be better with just some normal field points.
Is that money?
Touching the white.
Yes. And dude, we got what, 10 shots already, and it's still driving tacks. And we got it sighted in from 0 yards to 30, top line. So that way, if this turkey comes in close or far, it's just shoot, grip it and rip it. That one looked a little high, but
After Max got the air javelin sighted in, we then switched over to the Umarex 50 cal, which, as you can see here, we started filling up with air.
all right, y'all ready?
Yep.
Aw, fire in the hole. Dang it.
At this point, it was a little too dark to use regular sights, so then we switched over to night vision.
That one looked like it almost hit the bullseye. That one looked like it grouped with the other one.
Mm-hmm.
That one's a little high, but it looked good right and left.
see the arrow? I didn't even see it.
Oh my word.
Well, that's what happens when you jake around and find out. That thing's deadly.
Alright guys, here on the first morning in South Texas, we got the Umarex air gun, the Javelin Pro, and we got the Omega Hawkeye scope on top of it, and we got it done about 30 yards, shot those things head, and yeah, we couldn't be happier. This is one hell of a weapon. They were very fun, and I very much recommend them. But we're having a good time in South Texas.